lowercase q, just like an O for the Q. You just go skyline down to grass line, back up again, and then a slanted line at that bottom side there of the Q. For a lowercase q, same thing is a circle, and you're gonna go down and a curl going back that way. Sometimes you may see a Q where it is just this and then down, or even sometimes you'll see a little tail on the end of it like that.